Welcome to VVSM Academy, a School of Arts and Science. Today's class is Biochemistry, Tissue Cells in Human Body. Well friends, I am Veerabhadra from Geological Survey of India. The ship, what you are seeing is Samudramanthan, the old ship, extraordinary ship in my Epithelium Department, Geological Survey of India. This is Veerabhadra worked in the esteemed department with a wonderful experiences. I am saluting to my department and I am going to start my classes today. Yes, Earth. Earth is our planet, the unique planet in the solar system. We have to safeguard Earth, save plants, save Earth. Hasire usiru snehitare. Well, here is an illustration of cell organization. In the biology, almost biology and biochemistry I am dealing simultaneously for your kind information, for your knowledge, and the academic point of view is concerned. Here is an illustration of cell organization, cells, tissue, organ, system. Group of cells leads to the study of tissue, group of tissues leads to the study of organs, group of organs leads to the study of system, and the system in any living organisms. A group of cells can form a tissue. As I told you already, let us discuss what is a tissue. A tissue is a group of cells that perform the same structure and function. Four types of tissues, basic structures in the tissues are connective tissue, epithelial tissue, muscle tissue, and nervous tissue. In biology, tissue is a cellular organization level between cells and a complete organ. A tissue is an assemble of similar cells and their extracellular matrix from the same origin that together carry out a specific function. Organs are then formed by the functional grouping together of multiple tissues. This is a very important discussion today in the biology or the biochemistry classes, my dear friends. You observe the chart for your kind inference and for your kind reference. Connective tissues are classified into two main groups, connective proper and specialized. The connective proper is further divided into four branches: mucous, dense, loose, and reticular. The dense is further divided into three: irregular, elastic, and regular connective tissues. Coming to the specialized, is further divided into four branches: blood, bone, cartilage, adipose. The bone is further divided into two: compact and trabecular. The cartilage is further divided into three main branches: elastic, hyaline, and fibrocartilage. And adipose is divided into two branches: white and brown adiposes. Well, from the most important heteropolysaccharides are found in the connective tissues of all animals and include a group of large muscles in the molecules that vary in size, shape, and interaction with other body substances. They have a structural role, and the structures of individual connective tissue, the polysaccharides, are related to the specific animal functions. That is important things. For example, the major component of giant fluid animals function as a lubricating agent and shock absorber. If you observe the cell carefully, you can come across so many things: the blood vessels, the nerve cells, and the basal surface. And the first layer is epithelium layer, and this is the basal lamina, this is the basement membrane layer, and the connective tissue layer, my dear. Animal tissues are concerned, epithelial tissues, from the protective covering and inner lining of the body and organs. These tissues were the first to evolve during evolution and were first formed during embryonic development. Now, the characteristics: these can be single layered or the multi-layered. They have power to regenerate, and they have gap junctions, tight junctions, zonula, and other things. And the plasma membrane of these cells is specialized into flagella, cilia, and microvilli. Well friends, this is a beautiful diagram of the types of epithelium. Simple squamous, simple cuboidal, simple columnar, and transitional. Then stratified aqueous, squamous, then stratified cuboidal, and pseudo stratified columnar. This is another important special characteristics of epithelial cell junctions we are discussed later. The classification, sensory epithelium and functions are concerned. Sensory epithelium to perceive stimulant, and granular epithelium secretes chemicals, and the pigmented epithelium for absorption, and absorptive epithelium for absorption. Several kinds of tissues, that is blood tissue, bone tissue, epithelial tissue, cartilage tissue, adipose tissue, nervous tissue, and muscle tissue, connective tissues. Epithelial tissues are the widespread throughout the body. They form the covering of all body surfaces, lined body cavities, and hollow organs, and are the major tissue in glands. They perform a variety of functions that include production, secretion, absorption, excretion, filtration, diffusion, and sensory reception. Connective tissue is one of the 4 basic types of animal tissue, along with epithelial tissue, muscle tissue, and nervous tissue. That develops from the mesoderm. Connective tissue is found in between other tissues everywhere in the body, including the nervous system. Muscle tissue is the soft tissue that composes muscles in animal bodies and gives rise to muscles' ability to contract and expand. This is opposed to other components of tissues in muscles such as tendons or perimysium. It is formed during embryonic development through the process known as myogenesis. Cardiac muscle tissue is only found in the heart. Highly coordinated contractions of cardiac muscle pump blood into the vessels of the circulatory system. Similar to skeletal muscle, cardiac muscle is striated and organized into the sarcomeres, processing the same banding organization as skeletal muscle. This is a very important slide, my dear friends. This is the heart, and the heart is made up of cardiac muscle tissues. Yes, my dear friends, all you know that the group of tissues gives organs, and I will give a brief outlook of the different types of organs. Golgi apparatus, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, rough endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes, nucleus, cell membrane, lysosomes, vacuole, centriole, cytoskeleton, and mitochondria. You know, my dear friends, the mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell, as you know that. In the forthcoming classes, let us discuss about the mitochondria and other things. Thank you for listening. This is VVSN Academy, a School of Arts and Science situated in Kalyan Nagar. I am Veerabhadraya Demaya. I am staying in Kalyan Nagar. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.